interviewing with Professor Vasilieva, who is professor for the lecture about Russia studies. And in this course, we learned about the Russia's understandings, like historical point of view and also the contemporary news. So in this lecture, we have a lot of oral delivered style assignments, like presentations and also group discussions. And I think the biggest one is a simulation about the Russian-American relationships or the Georgian issue that recently happened. So I was discussing about the simulation because I've never experienced the simulation before. So I didn't know how to prepare for the simulation, and also how can I involve the simulation, because I have, compared to other students, I have English difficulties. So I was asking firstly about the preparation. So the professor advised me that firstly, I choose a topic from the Russian-American relations or the Georgian issues. And then I should choose one player which is involving the issue, like the international organization or the countries like Russia or the Abkhazians, the supporters. And then once I choose a player, I have to rethink the issues from the perspective of the players. And then I have to research the issues from that player's perspective, not only from the website, but also ask the librarian about which resource is good for the simulation stuff. And then I have to collect the policy paper, which writing about the desired or undesired outcome, and also the policy objects and the strategies for the simulations. So I didn't find out before the interview. I didn't know the concrete steps, but after the interview, I got the concrete advices to how to prepare. And after the preparation, I asked about how can I involve the simulation orally. And she said when the counterpart speaks the different way from our perspective, you should wait until the counterpart stops the talking and listen carefully about what they're talking, and then you should go back to the policy papers and find out what should I say to shift to the desired way of the simulation. So I thought the simulation is going on very quickly, like very intensely, but she advised we should be calm down and listen very carefully. So I changed my image entirely from the very intense one to the like very calm discussions. And also she advised me to deliver the simulation with the diplomatic way to say. So I told her I can't use that diplomatic way because I never use and I never talk in that way. And then she said she will give us the example of the diplomatic way. So this would be help to me. And finally, I asked her expectation for the international students on simulation, and she said there is no difference between American student and also international student. So everyone has the different perspective, so everyone can contribute to the simulation from each perspective. But interview, she gave me the assignment, and even she said there is no difference between American students and international students. You have the English English difficulty, so you should give the short presentation for every class. So, so through that,